losing weight doesn't have to be a headache. Simple measures help a lot in the objective, mainly without extra expenses. In this video, I'll tell you some tips that will help you. Obesity can affect many aspects of your life. You must not feel good about yourself. Wake up in a bad mood. Not wanting to do anything or play with your children. Not wanting to be ready to go out. Clothes are no longer useful. You must feel trapped in a body that is not the that I really wanted. In this video, I will tell you some tips that will help you, and remembering that in the description there is a link to a testimonial from a woman who lost 84 pounds, that way you feel more motivated. I'll leave a link on the cards and description for a playlist of recipe videos. Tip number 1, proper nutrition. In order to lose weight quickly at home, food must be planned to lose weight with pleasure. Pleasant and healthy recipes. Use the correct form of preparation. Try to eat quality food in the ideal amount. Weight loss methods. Change your diet with fewer calorie foods. Make smart changes and, instead of frying, eat raw, cook or bake. Eat less sweet foods and concentrated juices. Do not drink soft drinks. 1 liter of Coca-Cola contains 450 calories, which can be compared to a good dinner. Eat more often, eating split meals. When eating, the body consumes for immediate needs and for the formation of stock. With longer intervals between meals, the greater the chance of saving energy through body fat, and you will not feel hungry if you eat every 3 hours. In addition, the body consumes most of the energy in the morning, so it is not interesting to feel hungry in the morning and extrapolate in the afternoon or evening. Chew well. In addition to better controlling hunger, your body needs this process to improve health and digestion. Eat sweets only as a tasting or when you feel like it. But before eating, eat some fruits first to reduce anxiety. Eat dessert only when you're not hungry. Taste it slowly and follow the less is more principle. Do you feel very hungry? Control hunger half an hour before the main meal. Drink a glass of skim milk with a piece of black bread or banana, apple, pear or orange. Your body will begin to feel less hungry and you will eat less. Avoid alcohol. In addition to containing high calories, we lose control over the amount of food we eat. Alcohol attacks the body, disrupts sleep and the proper functioning of the body. Tip number 2, decrease dish size. There is a lot of research that says people tend to eat more than they want when food is placed on a large plate. The bigger the dish, no matter how much food you put in, you think you're eating less and you end up eating more. Most people eat according to the size of the dish and not the size of the food. So, go ahead and buy utensils. Buy smaller plates and spoons than the ones you own. Stay as far away as possible from large glasses of wine. Tip number 3, physical activity. Skipping rope for weight loss. Skipping rope can keep your body in good shape. After 15 minutes, it burns 200 calories, doesn't take up much space and can be done at home. Start with the simplest jumps. Try to jump low, fixing your body in one position. Increase the difficulty. Hula hoop. If used for 15 minutes, a hula hoop burns from 200 to 250 calories, and can always be at your fingertips. It has an impact mainly on the waist, abdomen, and thighs, improving cellulite reduction. It doesn't take much to be able to move. Morning exercises have a powerful effect on the body and even help to breathing techniques. Other types of exercises can also be used at home. Just go online and choose what you like best. Even being on the strictest diets, not doing physical activity will compromise the result. Sports activate the body's metabolic processes, raise good cholesterol and help you lose weight. Tip number 4, don't skip meals. Experts say that starving does not help you lose weight. To be original, diets don't work as much as people say. In fact, when you eat, some of the fat is stored for future use in the event of a lack of food. This fat is stored in excess when you skip meals. If you want to learn how to lose weight at home, don't skip meals. You should not be on an empty stomach for more than 5 hours, either indoors or out. Tip number 5, weight loss tips at home. Changes in diet and increased physical activity are key components of weight loss. Don't forget about additional procedures that will help you lose weight quickly at home. Here are a few. Sauna. It is a pleasant form of weight loss. You can get more radical by rubbing the body with honey or salt, while sweating begins. Contraindications: the presence of rashes, scratches and other skin diseases, and problems with the heart. Reducing creams, especially thermogenic cream that stimulates the body's metabolism, improves blood circulation and lymphatic drainage due to the thermal effect when applied to problem areas. Special clothing with high-tech fabrics, shorts, pants, belts. Using them during physical activity reinforces the effect of exercise due to the heating of subcutaneous fat. I hope these tips have helped you.